Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your Xiaomi Mi 10T, at the first you have to go for the settings. After that we have to scroll down and find apps. Click on the dual apps, and right now just pick up application that you want to clone. I'm going to do this with Instagram, so tap on the switcher, click to turn on. Right now it is creating the second application and it's finished. So right now we are able to check if it is working, so let's go for the first. As you can see, we are logging to the application, and right now let's try to open second. And here we are able to log into the second account. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.